Hey, what's up everybody? Note 9 day for us small YouTubers. Shout out to my boy Forbes Tech Review. He got his Note 9 already, and I just got home and I got this on the front. Well, actually I had a sign for, and it was in the house waiting for me. Note 9, baby. And my headphones, the model N60 wireless AKG headphones. I opted for that over the Fortnite package. Not that you haven't seen 100 unboxings already, but you may want to see mine. So this is pretty nice. Noise canceling, wireless. Wow. In series. AKG, established in 1947, Vienna. Spongy. Nice little spongy interior right there. It's real nice. Take care of the headphones for you. Okay, this might be a way to, oh, it's a flight adapter. All right, let's check out the headphones. Wow, nice. These are pretty nice. They're not over the ear, they're on the ear. So I don't know how great the noise cancellation is gonna be. It's the right side that has all the controls. Rewind, forward. I'm gonna give these a once over, let you know how they are. Got a wire setup. I'm assuming you don't have to use a wireless connection if you don't. And this is the charging port, micro mini charging port. Nice headphones, AKG. All right, enough of that. This is not a headphone review. This is for the notes. All right, let's get to the unboxing of the Note 9. You can tell by the pen that I do have the coral blue one. Did not want the little purple one. Wasn't a fan of that color. In a lot of ways, Samsung kind of didn't give us a lot of color choices this year. Boom. Got your books and stuff with your SIM card injector. And welcome guides. So pretty much standard stuff. And here's the phone. Wow, this phone's got a lot of weight to it. This is nice. I really like this. It's a cool phone. Let's check out real quick inside the box. T-Mobile stuff. I did order this from Samsung's website. I want everybody to know that. But I did order the T-Mobile version. So it comes standard with a lot of T-Mobile information. Got your USB connector for changing your information from one phone to another. Does have their fast charge 2.0 that they need to upgrade to 3.0. Wow, I got it. Got the charging cable and the AKG earbuds. The AKG earbuds that come with everything. You got the tip changer, where if you want to change the tip of the S Pen to a more a different type of feel as far as when it comes to the writing, if you want to change the tips of those. And earbuds for those who have ear hole sizes of various degrees. All right, see if there's any. Take this off. Everybody loves that sound. Really nice. Look how beautiful this phone is. It's a real nice phone. Take the sticker off the back. I do like the adjustment where the fingerprint sensor is. I got pretty big hands, so seems to be working out for me. While it's booting up, I got the S9 Plus right here. This phone is a lot taller than the S9 Plus. Before I set the phone up, I just want to compare this with a few other phones. That's the S9 Plus. And if the rumors are true about the new iPhone 10 Plus, which is going to be about the same size as the 8 Plus, we can get an idea of the size of. So this is the Note is still a little bit taller, but it is not as wide as the 8 Plus. I could put the 8 Plus over that and you will see it would make the phone disappear without any problems. It's not as tall, but it is wider than the Note. Yeah, the S9 Plus. S9 Plus though, I like the form factor on that. It's got a nice size, but I'm kind of glad that the Note 9 is wider. That was probably one of the complaints I may have had about the 9 Plus. It was a kind of narrow for me. This is pretty wide. Other than that, it's really nice. Real quick, let me go over some quick information about the Note 9 before I sign off. It does have an aluminum frame. It does have Gorilla Glass 5, front and back. It is IP68, water and dust resistant. It does weigh about 201 grams. 6.4 Super AMOLED Infinity Display with the resolution at 2960 by 1440. This screen aspect ratio is at 18.5 by 9, 516 ppi. The rear camera, you have a 12 megapixel with a 1.5 to 2.4 adjustable aperture on the back. The secondary camera is a 12 megapixel also, and this one has, I think, a 2.4 aperture rating. It does have the focal length, autofocus, OIS, 2x zoom, and slow-mos 1080 at 240 frames per second, and you can get super slow-mo. You can get 960 frames per second, but it'll only shoot in 720. The front-facing camera is an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. It does have a 1.7 aperture on that, and it can shoot video. It has autofocus too, and it can also shoot videos. I think it's 2K at 30 frames per second. On board, it does have 8.1 Oreo. It does have the new Samsung Experience 9.0. Bixby is still here. I have the 128 gigabyte variant, which has 6 gigs of RAM. The big boy 512 does have 8 gigabytes of RAM. It does have a micro SD card slot where you can put up to 512 gigabytes card in there. 4,000 milliamp battery. S Pen stylus does have Bluetooth enabled. What else? Fingerprint recognition. Does have stereo speakers, which is tuned by AKG. 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom. And like I said, it is, and if you do have the DeX dock already, it is compatible with that. So if you don't want to rush out and get the dongle, the DeX dongle thing that they have, you can still use an older DeX dock. Now, I did get this phone through Samsung. I saved $749 off the $1,000 price. If you include the headphones, it's supposed to be almost a $1,200 value. But with the trade-in and everything else, it brought everything down to $582.99 that I paid for the Note 9. All right, everybody, I'm about to get this phone set up, spend some time with it, get used to it. It shouldn't be that hard to get used to this phone because it's pretty much the same experience across the line if you're familiar with Samsung phones. Other than that, and I really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.